Hey all, welcome back to my channel, A Thousand Little Miracles. In this video, I'm sharing a beautiful home decor DIY idea for Ramadan. I'm gonna share how to make a mosque candle holder with air dry clay. Take small part of air dry clay and roll it about 3 to 4 mm thick. Cut it round. It will be the base of the candle holder. Now roll air dry clay about 3 to 4 mm thick, and cut it in a simple shape of mosque. Place it on a cylindrical container, and let it dry. After drying, apply a coat of gesso or white acrylic color on it. Now color it golden. I'm using golden acrylic paint. Attach the crescent moon on the top of the mosque. Now attach an acrylic sheet on the back of the mosque. I'm gonna color the door and the windows with glass paints. Our DIY clay mosque candle holder is ready now. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.